as we approach the end of Term 3 and our unit on waste and resource management, to summarise everything that we have learnt in the last 3 weeks, you have one final piece of work to complete your portfolio. To ensure that all students across Australia learn about the same topics and develop the same skills for each year level, the Australian curriculum sets guidelines for teachers to follow. The key focus for this final piece of work, along with the whole unit that we have been learning about, comes from the Year 4 Geography curriculum, which states that students must understand the use and management of natural resources and waste and the different views on how to do this sustainably. Throughout this unit, we have studied the various uses and management of resources and waste and the impacts that this can have on our environment. We have surveyed and recorded our own waste management, compared different management methods in other countries such as Asian megacities, and researched continuity and change in management within Australia. We have also discussed what sustainability is and what we can do to maintain a sustainable life. Throughout this unit, I have been observing you through your engagement and completion of learning activities, and this last assessment piece will be similar, however in a slightly more formal manner. I will be assessing how you work with your peers and the way in which you communicate with them and myself. I will be assessing your researching skills, how you find, gather and organise information. I will also be assessing your knowledge and understanding of each of these skills, including the critical and creative elements through your final presentation. By now, you're probably wondering what this assessment task is. In pairs, which you will be allocated, you will research, organise and present your findings in any way that you think best showcases your work. Then, you will both need to present your work to the class in a 3 to 5 minute presentation. The following points must be included in your assessment in a way that will persuade your audience. A whole school waste management strategy. Now this can be the triple bin challenge or another that we have discussed. Why this should be used in our school. I suggest you include at least one statistic that we have already talked about. Facts about the environment and the effects that poor waste management can have and have had on our environment. And examples of what people in our community can do. Think reuse, reduce, recycle. You will have 4 in-class lessons to complete this task, and 2 of these will be in the computer lab. You may, however, choose to do additional work outside of school. Your presentations will be due on Tuesday, the 18th of September. Good luck!